Hello and welcome back to the Weather Centre. It's going to be a sunny and hot day in the northeast. This includes northern Gauteng as well as Limpopo, with thunder showers this afternoon in the Free State, Northern Cape and also in the southern parts of the country. And the South African Weather Service has issued a watch for severe thunderstorms in parts of the Eastern Cape and also KwaZulu-Natal, where the storms may be associated with large hail and damaging winds. We're also keeping a close eye on a cut-off low that's developing west of the country. This system is expected to bring some rainfall to western South Africa, especially on Monday and Tuesday. So do remember to get your buckets and water tanks ready so that you can collect as much water as possible. This morning started out cloudy along the south coast, and we do expect the cloudy and wet conditions to persist throughout the day. And it's also been a foggy morning along the west coast. The fog is slowly clearing now, but we do expect those foggy conditions to return once again this evening. Afternoon thunder showers are expected in the area around Kimberley and Bloemfontein, with a stormy afternoon that's expected in the Eastern Cape and also southern KwaZulu-Natal. It's windy in Cape Town and the surrounding areas, and we only expect these windy conditions to start moderating by tomorrow morning. Tomorrow afternoon, again, very stormy conditions across the central parts of the country as that cut-off low now moves closer to our coastline. And again, some of those storms can also reach the east coast tomorrow afternoon. Looking at our rainfall map for today, we see scattered thunderstorms across a large part of the country with an 80% chance of rain in the Overberg district. As I've mentioned, mostly rainy conditions expected there today. And then isolated thunder showers in the Free State as well as the area around Uppington. Then we do have a warning for high fire danger over the western interior, where runaway fires are possible. And then there's also a watch for a gale force southeasterly wind that's expected between Hermanus today and Table Bay. And this also includes the Cape Metropole. Taking a look at your wind for this afternoon, that strong wind that I've already mentioned in Cape Town, a moderate wind along the south and the east coast with a light wind in Johannesburg and Polokwane. The afternoon maximum temperatures will be warm to hot across the country, except along the south coast due to the cloud cover. Only 23 in George, 33 in Bloemfontein, and also a hot day in Gauteng with maximum temperatures in the low to mid 30s. This evening will be warm in the northwest with a minimum of 21 in Mahikeng and also Lephalale, cooler on the Highveld as well as the high-lying areas of KwaZulu-Natal, and a warm evening along the east coast with minimum temperatures around 21 degrees Celsius. Tomorrow we still expect stormy weather across a large part of the country, those storms also reaching the south coast as the cut-off low moves closer. And then on Monday we also expect stormy weather in Cape Town with a maximum of 28. That's it from the Weather Desk.